We are Redmagic 5G gaming smartphone global distributor. Meanwhile, we are Xiaomi global distributor. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. We make it global sending, sample orders, and we make B2B global trading business. If you want to make B2B business of Redmagic 5G gaming smartphones and other brand gaming smartphones, Black Shark, Asus, Lock 2, Lock 3, you can contact with us. Okay. They are Redmagic 5G gaming smartphone. Let's unbox them and review them. It is a new arrival gaming smartphone in 2020 March 12. Redmagic 5G have kinds of color box. The one is 16 GB RAM and 256 GB ROM. And this one is blue color, red and blue color. Fan cooler. Another side, fan cooler. Type C the USB port. It supports dual SIM, dual nano SIM card. All Google applications. Google Play Store. Cooling fan. Here are the global language menu. It is a 6.65 inch AMOLED LED 19.5 to 9 radio Corning Gorilla Glass. Its resolution is 2340 pixels by 1080 pixels. Screen refresh rate is 144 Hz. Very fast. It is one of advantage for gaming player to play the games the fast screen refresh rate. Android 10 operating system, Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, octa-core 2.84 GHz. Memory storage have 128 GB ROM, 8 GB LAN, or 12 GB LAN, 256 GB ROM, 12 GB LAN, or 16 GB LAN, UFS 3.0. Its main camera is 64 megapixel, f1.7 1.8 aperture, 8 megapixel f2.0 aperture, and 2 megapixel with LED flashlight. Its front camera is 8 megapixel. Battery built-in. It's 4,500 mAh battery built-in. Supports 55 watt fast battery charging. 100% full charging only need 40 minutes. It supports fingerprint under the display. 3.0 Type-C USB port. And NFC, GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, Bluetooth 5.1. Let's review another color. Black color. Charger, 50 watt fast charger. Type-C, both a Type-C fast charger. Type-C cable. Manual. And warranty certificate. We will have UK adapter, Europe adapter, and Australian adapter for your market need. $8 GB LAN, 128 GB ROM version.